If I asked you about your Lexus vehicle's performance, you'd probably think about its speed and handling. But an equally important performance standard is how well it stops. Why? Because braking performance is essential to your safety. The condition of your vehicle's brake system components, especially the brake pads, determines how quickly your vehicle stops. Excessive brake pad wear will not only reduce braking performance, it can lead to damage of the brake rotors, further reducing stopping power and contributing to increased repair costs. Here are a few tips to help you know when your Lexus vehicle's brake pads are worn. Do you hear a noise when you apply the brakes? Is there a vibration or pulsation when you apply pressure to the brake pedal under normal braking? Does your vehicle pull to the left or right while stopping? If any of these warning signs apply, it's time to schedule a brake inspection service visit. Always take your Lexus to Lexus certified technicians who are specifically trained to quickly determine whether your vehicle's brake pads need replacing. This brake pad wear guide illustrates the 3 key levels of brake pad wear. Green represents what new pads look like on your vehicle. As the pads wear down and reach the yellow zone, this indicates a thickness reading where the pads may need attention. And once the brake pads wear down to the level shown in red, it's time to replace the pads. When it's time to replace your brake pads, replace them with genuine Lexus brake pads. These pads are engineered specifically for Lexus vehicles, offering a more precise fit than aftermarket brands. They're made of the highest quality materials, designed to deliver superior braking performance while actually helping to reduce rotor wear and maintenance expense. They also offer a long service life, stand up to the highest braking demands, and are backed by the Lexus basic warranty of 48 months or 50,000 miles, whichever occurs first. And with Lexus brake pads, there's little to no break-in time required. Don't take chances. If you think your brake pads are worn, be sure to contact your local Lexus dealer or visit lexusdrivers.com to schedule a thorough brake inspection.